Breathe easy, understanding garage ventilation. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the concept of garage ventilation. This might seem like a technical topic, but it's actually quite important for both the safety and comfort of your home. We'll break down what garage ventilation is, why it's necessary, and how it can be achieved. So, let's get started and shed some light on how to keep the air in your garage fresh and clean. Garage ventilation refers to the process of exchanging indoor air in a garage with fresh outdoor air. The main goal of this process is to improve air quality and remove any harmful pollutants, fumes, or excessive heat. Ventilation can be natural, through doors and windows, or mechanical, using fans and vents. Understanding the importance of proper ventilation can help prevent various health risks and protect your garage from damage. Garage ventilation is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps to remove toxic fumes from cars, lawn mowers, or any chemicals stored in the garage. These fumes can be harmful if inhaled over a period of time. Secondly, proper ventilation prevents the buildup of excessive heat during hot weather, making the garage a safer and more comfortable space. Additionally, it can prevent the growth of mold and mildew, which thrive in damp, poorly ventilated areas. There are two main types of garage ventilation systems, natural and mechanical. Natural ventilation relies on windows, doors, and passive vents to allow airflow. This method is cost-effective but may not be sufficient in all cases, especially in tightly sealed garages. Mechanical ventilation involves using powered fans and exhaust systems to actively pull fresh air into the garage and push out stale air. This method is more effective in controlling air quality and temperature but requires an initial investment and ongoing electricity costs. Improving garage ventilation can be achieved through several means. 1. Install exhaust fans or vents to actively circulate air. 2. Keep doors and windows open whenever possible to allow natural airflow. 3. Use air purifiers to remove pollutants and improve indoor air quality. 4. Regularly check and maintain ventilation equipment to ensure it's working efficiently. Implementing these steps can significantly enhance the air quality in your garage, making it a safer and more pleasant environment. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of garage ventilation and its importance. Remember, a well-ventilated garage is not just about removing bad smells. It's about ensuring the health and safety of you and your loved ones. So, take the time to assess and improve your garage's ventilation system. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more interesting topics. Stay safe and breathe easy.